Omoge Mi ati padidi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, So many times I wonder why tears there for my eyes. For so long me I don't know. See my girlfriend and my best friend, they play me and they no send. This not the thing where they make me feel so. I've been forgiven the other time she was begging to be mine. I told her not to cry, that everything would be alright. But now I wonder why it has to be this guy. This now my only best friend. If not you, tell me what do you go to your girlfriend? Omoge Timo Pharaoh, Tia Mi Femo, Tia Mi Ferry, Omoge Mi, Ati Padi, what you shining got to your dad? What do you go to your best friend? It's not Padi, already, No. I don't go fit take her anymore. Lie. She's supposed to be my wife, to bring the light in our lives. To my personal person, I don't learn my lesson. And I just swear, this no go happen again, no. This not my biggest mistake, yeah. And my friends no go see me again. And my girl no go put me for shame. If not you, tell me what do you go to your girlfriend? Omoge Timo Pharaoh, Tia Mi Femo, Tia Mi Ferry, Omoge Mi, Ati Padi, what you shining got to your dad? What do you go to your best friend? It's not Padi, already, get why, best friend. Forgiven the other time she was begging to be mine. I told her not to cry, that everything will be alright. But now I wonder why it has to be this guy. This time I only best friend, girl. Already. No. I don't go fit take him anymore. This no go happen again. This now my biggest mistake, yeah. And my friends don't see me again. And my girl no go put me for shame. What you shining got to your dad? This no go happen again. This now my biggest mistake, yeah. And my girl no go put me for shame. No. Tell me this no go happen again. This time my biggest mistake, and my girl no go hear me again. What you shining got to your dad? What do you go to your best friend? It's not bad.